last time our customer buy this handle.
Yes.
For how many pairs? I think I remember half container.
Yes.
Yes.
Because he also buy other glass hardware fitting, front hinge and patch fitting, and a glass handle,
Yes.
shower hinge for
And make one container.
for one cleaner. Wow!
Yeah,
amazing!
Amazing. Every 2 months. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Very big customer.
Yes.
Big customer.
Many customers like our friends. So
Yes, glass to glass hinge like this. Glass to glass hinge. Hello friend, you need this one? Glass
Yes.
to glass hinge.
this one.
Is
Glass
this
to
one?
glass.
Hello friend.
This one. Glass to glass.
And we also have the other fitting. Very
Other color also okay. Other color. Like before we talk about the black color. Yes, I take the black one.
讲 Q 是这样。
Black color. Take this black color and black handle and PVC.
Yeah, PVC also have
Yeah.
the black
Make whole set black
for
color.
the shower room.
Same black. Yeah.
Shower door glass to glass.
Yeah, shower door glass to glass. Then take
Glass
this.
to glass. Glass to glass hinge. This
and
one.
take this hinge.
Glass to glass for the shower door. Hello
Yes.
friend, this one.
Hello, friend. This one.
Yeah. If you need other product, we can send the catalog to you.
Yes. Just leave your message here.
Yeah.
Price we send you later, friend. Price? Yes, price send you later.
Yes.
And this also, friend. We can make black color, yes?
Yes. This
Like this.
PVC for the shower room.
Yeah, shower
And
room.
the shower hinge and the shower handle.
Yes,
Yeah, the
whole
shower
set.
handle.
Whole
Yeah.
set. Glass to glass price, yes.
Yeah. And also have this one. This one also many people use. This tool many people use for the shower room.
Yeah, shower room. And how the single one? Single one like like this. If you make a project for shower room, then take this one. Quality better.
Yes, glass to glass. You can leave your WhatsApp or email here.
Yes.
Yeah, then send the
me
price to
check.
you.
Check.
Send the price to you half hour later.
Yes. Good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Michelle. All the friends online. We should. Yeah, let's back to the handle.
Yeah, back to the handle.
And this square one, square handle.
Yeah, and have
Square
the
shape.
load one to compare. Load and square.
Yeah, you can see this finishing is very good. Yeah, show this finishing. Can make polishing very good. This one. Yeah. Is that clear? Yes. And the wrong one. The wrong one here. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, if you have my WhatsApp or WeChat, just contact me. If no, leave your message in our Facebook. And
This
And
one.
this.
Oh, and this one.
yes,
This one.
yes. Square one. And this a little bit special.
Yes.
All different type, many types we can make.
Hello. Yes. This product can send to. Yes. Can send.